The 2027 Chevy Equinox may look similar to last year's model, but underneath the surface, Chevrolet made one of the biggest mechanical changes in years. The controversial CVT transmission is finally gone, and that decision completely changes the driving and ownership experience. MPG reality. The 2027 Equinox still uses the familiar 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine. But the new standard 8-speed automatic transmission changes how the SUV behaves both in traffic and during highway cruising, creating a more natural and refined driving feel overall. Front-wheel drive models are expected to deliver around 26 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway, while all-wheel drive versions should achieve roughly 24 city and 29 highway. Those numbers remain competitive despite the switch away from the fuel-focused CVT. The new transmission especially shines during highway driving because it keeps the engine lower at cruising speeds. Drivers who spend hours commuting or taking road trips will likely appreciate the quieter cabin, smoother acceleration, and improved long-distance comfort. Ownership costs. Fuel economy is only one part of the ownership story. Over 5 years, the 2027 Equinox is expected to cost around $45,500 total when fuel, insurance, maintenance, financing, and depreciation are combined into the complete ownership picture. Depreciation remains the largest expense, accounting for nearly $18,000 over 5 years. However, Chevrolet's improved standard equipment helps soften the blow because buyers now receive more technology and safety hardware without paying extra for expensive upgrade packages. Annual fuel costs are projected around $1,700 for drivers averaging 15,000 miles yearly. Maintenance costs also stay relatively manageable because the Equinox continues using a mature turbocharged engine platform with predictable service intervals and generally affordable replacement parts. Long-term value. One overlooked advantage of the 2027 Equinox is its timing chain design. Unlike some competitors that still rely on timing belts requiring expensive replacement services, Chevy's timing chain is engineered to last the life of the engine under normal maintenance conditions. Routine ownership should remain straightforward. Oil changes and tire rotations are recommended every 7,500 miles, while transmission fluid service around 60,000 miles becomes especially important because of the new 8-speed automatic system introduced for the 2027 model year. The LT trim still appears to be the smartest value for most buyers because it balances price, resale value, and equipment better than higher trims. Adding optional convenience features creates a near-premium experience without pushing ownership costs dramatically higher over time. The 2027 Chevy Equinox proves that smarter engineering updates can matter more than flashy redesigns, especially for buyers focused on real-world fuel economy and long-term ownership value. Let me know if you'd choose the gas model or Equinox EV, and subscribe for more detailed 2027 vehicle breakdowns.